Every single day, millions of eggs begin this journey together, each one fragile, each one counted.
What looks simple here is actually one of the most precise food handling systems ever built.
Even a tiny change in speed can mean damage, delays, or thousands of eggs lost.
This entire floor is designed around one goal: moving fragile eggs at massive scale without breaking a single one.
Every moving part here is timed to the millisecond, working together to protect something as delicate as an eggshell. Before machines take over, trained eyes still perform the first check, looking for anything technology might miss. As volume increases, the system speeds up without ever sacrificing control or precision. Because here, just one cracked shell can contaminate everything around it. And at this scale, there is no room for error. What you're seeing here is just the beginning of a process most people never imagine.
Long before eggs reach the factor, the process starts here, inside carefully controlled poultry farms.
Each egg is designed to leave the nest on its own, without stress, without human contact. The moment an egg is laid, gravity and precision take over, moving it safely without a human touch. Dozens of belts run at the same time, collecting eggs automatically the second they're laid.
From this point on, the eggs move entirely on their own, guided only by machines and gravity.
Hygiene starts immediately. Every egg is monitored from the very first seconds of its journey.
Before leaving the farm, eggs already go through their first quality check, removing obvious defects early.
Lighting and materials here are chosen carefully, every detail designed to protect the shell. Once grouped, each egg is locked into place so it can survive the long journey ahead. Before transport, every tray is labeled, so each egg can be traced back to its exact origin. From here, eggs travel in climate-controlled trucks, kept stable, cool, and protected every mile. Inside the truck, even road vibration is controlled, so eggs arrive exactly as they left. These supports absorb sudden movement, protecting eggs from cracks you'd never see from the outside. By the time they reach the factory, breakage is already minimized to near zero. At the factory, timing is everything. Trucks arrive in a carefully planned sequence. Automation takes over immediately, moving thousands of eggs at once without a single sudden motion. Each stack is lifted, aligned, and released with millimeter-level accuracy. Here, separate deliveries become one continuous system, perfectly synchronized. This is the moment every egg enters the main system, where precision becomes critical. From end to end, this factory runs as one continuous line, never stopping.
Even in a highly automated system, human oversight remains essential.
Strict hygiene controls begin before anyone even reaches the production floor. Every person inside follows the same protocol, because contamination is never an option. From this point on, every egg is individually controlled. No crowding, no collisions. If an egg shifts even slightly, the system corrects it instantly.
Here, speed is constantly adjusted, so every section of the line moves as one.
From this point forward, there is zero tolerance for mistakes. Listen closely. and you can hear the entire system working in balance.
Now, the eggs are ready for the most critical stage, washing. The wash begins with a controlled water spray, strong enough to clean, gentle enough to protect the shell.
Instead of harsh scrubbing, soft brushes do the work, cleaning without weakening the shell. The water temperature is carefully controlled, warm enough to remove bacteria, never hot enough to damage the egg. In just seconds, years of natural buildup are washed away without a single crack. What comes out looks simple, but reaching this level of clean takes precision.
A food-grade detergent is added here, designed to clean, then rinse away completely. Cleaning happens from every angle, so nothing on the shell is missed.
Even the water is recycled, filtered, and reused to reduce waste without compromising cleanliness. Multiple filtration stages ensure the water stays clean, cycle after cycle.
The final rinse removes everything, leaving nothing behind but a clean shell.
After washing, every egg is visually identical, clean, intact, and ready for inspection. Warm air and controlled conditions help stabilize the shell before the next inspection stage. Everything that's removed is carried away immediately. Nothing stays near the product.
This stage focuses on eliminating invisible risks, bacteria the human eye can't detect.
Now, the system begins looking for cracks too small for the human eye to see. For accurate scanning, every egg must be in exactly the right position. Once alignment is confirmed, the line speeds up without losing control. At this speed, even light becomes a tool, revealing flaws you'd otherwise never notice.
With washing complete, the eggs move on, clean, stable, and ready for the most critical inspection yet.
This is where machines begin seeing what humans never could.
Infrared sensors analyze each shell's structure in milliseconds. Even cracks thinner than a human hair are detected instantly.
Every egg is measured, analyzed, and logged, one by one.
When a flaw is detected, the system reacts instantly, removing only the problem egg.
Removal is controlled, so even rejected eggs don't cause damage. Even rejection is designed to be gentle. Nothing here is left to chance.
Here, decisions aren't made by people. Machines decide in real time.
Some flaws can't be seen, but they can be heard.
Beyond cracks, internal quality is checked without ever opening the shell. Rotation ensures every angle is inspected. Nothing is left unseen.
Green means pass. These eggs meet every quality standard. Red means reject, and the system reacts in less than a second.
Only eggs that pass every test are allowed to move forward. Rejected eggs are fully separated, never re-entering the process.
Now the eggs are weighed, one by one, at full production speed. Each weight is recorded instantly. Accuracy here determines everything that comes next. Based on weight, each egg is routed to its exact size category.
Small, medium, and large. Every egg finds its place.
Uniformity at this level is what modern grading makes possible.
Once graded, each size moves forward on its own dedicated path.
Each lane runs at its own speed, balanced to keep the entire system in sync.
Even shell color is checked, so every carton looks consistent on the shelf.
Shell strength is verified, strong enough to survive packaging and transport.
Even with automation, random manual checks confirm the system stays accurate.
Each egg is stamped with a date and batch code, making it fully traceable.
That tiny mark links each egg to a specific day, place, and production line.
The ink dries instantly, so markings stay clear through every step ahead.
Every egg leaving this line can be traced back in seconds.
From here, these eggs are officially cleared for packing.
Every egg is logged digitally, making the entire process fully traceable. Once recorded, every detail is stored. Nothing is left untracked.
With sorting complete, the eggs move toward their final stage, packing.
Before packing begins, spacing is recalibrated one last time.
Everything is now set. These eggs are moments away from being packed.
Packaging starts with empty cartons, formed automatically in seconds.
Robotic arms handle each egg with consistent pressure, strong enough to grip, gentle enough to protect.
Soft grip technology prevents pressure points that could cause cracks. In seconds, a carton is filled, every egg positioned exactly where it belongs.
Once filled, the carton is sealed, protecting the eggs for the journey ahead.
Every carton is labeled, so its contents can be tracked through distribution. Each code is scanned instantly, confirming the carton is ready to move on. Before leaving the line, every carton is weighed to confirm nothing is missing. If a carton doesn't meet weight standards, it's removed immediately. Only approved cartons move forward, stacked and ready for shipment. Shrink wrapping adds one more layer of protection, holding everything firmly in place.
Once boxed, everything is sealed for transport, secure and tamper-resistant.
Robots build each pallet with exact precision, stable, balanced, and ready to move.
At this point, millions of eggs are packed and ready to leave the factory.
Before distribution, eggs are held in cold storage to preserve freshness.
Temperature is constantly monitored. Fluctuations are not allowed. Humidity is regulated just as carefully, protecting shells and packaging.
A strict first-in, first-out system ensures no carton stays behind.
When it's time to leave, cold chain control continues without interruption.
Every shipment is planned digitally, down to the minute.
Day or night, once packed, the journey doesn't wait. From here, these eggs head straight to stores and kitchens.
The egg you'll eat tomorrow has already passed through a living, non-stop process like this.
All of this happens every day without breaking a single egg.